a phone a lot, take a moment to open the body and stretch the body out just to beautify yourself from the inside out. Hang on, and you can watch the stretch. Bye bye. Hi there, hi there. I want to invite you to do a couple of stretches with me. Just a couple midday stretches. You could be on a yoga mat. You could be standing on your floor here. Whatever feels right for you. I'm all set up for a class, so I'm just going to leave my blanket where it is. So I want to invite you to just gently stand, tone the tummy, allow the gentle curvature of the lower back to be present, and just bring your arms out and down next to you. Roll the shoulders up, down, and back, and then roll the shoulders forward. This is something that you can do every day as you work at a desk that's looks somewhat functional and normal. You're not going to be too much of a distraction. You can also bring the arms, bent arms close to you and just exaggerate the openness of the chest, which can be very helpful to improve oxygen flow in your body. And bring the arms out, widen the legs just a little bit more. Give yourself a gentle side bend. This is going to help your organs of elimination, the digestive organs, giving yourself a wonderful stretch to the sides of the body. Also help the meridian lines of energy down the sides of the body. And then give yourself a little twist over to one side, hands to the hips, breathe in and out through the nose. And then bring the arms back out, come over to the opposite side. These are non-negotiable stretches for every yoga class that I teach. Sometimes when I teach restorative, and then we're going to do a quick chair pose. When I teach restorative yoga, I find that people want to go straight into restoring, but we must stretch the body and reset the energy channels before we expect to realize the benefits of restorative yoga. So here we are. I just wanted to say thank you for taking a moment to stretch and restore your body during your work day, during your daily activities at home, wherever you are. Thank you so much for being here. Bye bye bye.